Deadly, mysterious, and masters of survival. Snakes have fascinated and terrified humans for centuries. In this video, we'll count down the top 10 most venomous snakes in the world. From deserts to jungles, these creatures prove why nature's design can be both beautiful and dangerous. Top 10 most venomous snakes, nature's deadliest. Let's go into 3D mode. Here's a countdown of the top 10 most venomous snakes in the world, ranked based on the potency of their venom and potential lethality. 10. Philippine Cobra. Region: Philippines. Key danger: neurotoxic venom causes respiratory failure. Notable: can spit venom with accuracy over long distances. Mojave Rattlesnake. Region: southwestern United States, northern Mexico. Key danger: neurotoxic venom disrupts breathing and nerve signals. Notable: known as the most venomous rattlesnake. Deadliest fer-de-lance. Region: Central and South America. Key danger: hemotoxic venom causes severe tissue damage and hemorrhage. Notable: responsible for many bites in its range. 7. Russell's viper. Region: Indian subcontinent, Southeast Asia. Key danger: hemotoxin causes clotting disorders and internal bleeding. Notable: significant contributor to snakebite fatalities in Asia. 6th King Cobra. Region: South and Southeast Asia. Key danger: large venom dose attacks the nervous system. Notable: the world's longest venomous snake. 5. Blue Krait. Region: Southeast Asia. Key danger: potent neurotoxins lead to paralysis and death. Notable: shy but extremely lethal if bitten. 4. Black Mamba. Region: Sub-Saharan Africa. Key danger: neurotoxic venom kills quickly. A bite is almost always fatal without treatment. Notable: extremely fast and aggressive. 3rd Coastal Taipan. Region: Northern and Eastern Australia, Papua New Guinea. Key danger: neurotoxic venom causes rapid paralysis. Notable: delivers one of the largest venom doses among snakes. 2nd Eastern Brown Snake. Region: Australia. Key danger: its venom is highly toxic and fast-acting, causing coagulation and nerve damage. Notable: responsible for the most snakebite deaths in Australia. 1. Inland Taipan. Region: Australia. Key danger: the most toxic venom of any snake, capable of killing humans within minutes. Notable: rarely encountered due to its shy nature and remote habitat. Snakes are some of nature's most fascinating creatures, perfectly adapted to their environments. Which snake surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing wildlife videos.